Every successful pumpkin harvest begins with rich, fertile soil, carefully prepared by experienced farmers. Healthy pumpkin seeds are planted at the correct depth to encourage strong germination. Fresh water awakens the seeds and provides the moisture needed for new life. Hidden beneath the soil, tiny roots begin searching for water and nutrients. The first green shoots emerge and begin capturing sunlight for growth. Strong vines and broad leaves provide the energy needed for healthy development. Organic nutrients strengthen the plants. They support vigorous growth. Removing weeds reduces competition and helps the pumpkin plants thrive. Beautiful yellow flowers mark the beginning of pumpkin production. Busy honeybees naturally pollinate the blossoms, making fruit development possible. After successful pollination, tiny pumpkins begin their remarkable journey. With sunlight, water, and nutrients, the pumpkins grow larger every day. Daily care and careful observation keep the crop healthy throughout the growing season. As the fruit matures, its color transforms into a rich, vibrant orange. The pumpkins have reached full maturity and are ready for harvest. Careful harvesting preserves the quality of every pumpkin. The fresh harvest is collected and prepared for markets and homes. From one tiny seed to a plentiful harvest, pumpkin farming is a story of patience, dedication, and the incredible power of nature.